Virtual DJ 2025 has just dropped, and it comes with a game-changing feature called StemSwap Sampler. This powerful tool focuses on stems, which is a groundbreaking concept that Virtual DJ first introduced back in 2020, but StemSwap takes it to the next level. In this video, we'll dive into what StemSwap is, how it works, and share some expert tips to help you master this new feature. Welcome to Young Simba Empire, your go-to channel for all things virtual DJ. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into the tutorial. To fully understand the StemSwap sampler, let's start by defining stems. In DJing, stems refer to the individual audio elements of a song, such as vocals,
the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Drums, bass lines, or instrumental parts. These give DJs the power to isolate or remix specific elements in real time, creating fresh and dynamic mixes instantly. Since I've covered stems in detail on other videos, I'll leave it there for now and focus on how the new StemSwap sampler works. The StemSwap sampler lets you record a loop from a playing track, but instead of capturing the whole mix, you can isolate specific stems, like vocals or drums, and save them into sampler slots. The saved stems can then be triggered anytime, just like regular samples.
The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy.
But here is where the real magic happens. When you activate a saved stem on another playing track, it doesn't just layer the sound. Instead, it replaces the corresponding stem in the playing track. That's where the name StemSwap comes from. For example, if you save the vocals from deck A and trigger them on deck B, Virtual DJ mutes deck B's vocals and swaps them with the recorded vocals from deck A.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
Beyond stems, another term that stands out with this new feature is the word sampler. Mostly, the sampler allows you to assign loops, sound effects, or recorded tracks to a pad that you can trigger during your set. But with StemSwap, you can go further by sampling isolated stems like vocals or instruments to unlock even more creative potential.
The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me.
Just like normal samples, the recorded stems will be saved into something called sample banks. And after you update to Virtual DJ 2025, which I'll show you how to do at the end of the video, you'll notice 3 new sample banks. There's one called My Bank, another Loop Masters, and lastly, Pre-Songs. To get started with creating a StemSwap sample, open the My Bank sample bank from the Pad section. You'll then see empty pads labeled with options like Record Vocal or Record Beats. These pads allow you to isolate and record specific stems instead of capturing the full track. You can also customize your pads by selecting the Record Slots option in the sampler menu. This lets you assign stems to specific pads, such as vocals on pads 1 to 4 and beats on pads 5 to 8. You can even mix multiple elements like bass, hi-hats, and kicks into one pad for added flexibility. Once everything is configured, it's now time to dive into the recording process. Recording stems using the StemSwap sampler revolves around recording loops. So start by setting your desired loop length. Here I've chosen a 32-beat loop. And now in the sampler settings, I'll set record duration to follow loop size. This ensures the sampler matches the loop length you've selected. For example, if you switch the loop to 16 beats, the sampler will automatically adjust to record 16 beats, as indicated on the screen. This feature keeps your workflow consistent and avoids confusion when sampling. Alternatively, you could use the preset loops provided for you. Now, to record your stem sample, you can simply trigger a sample slot while the track is playing or paused, and that loop will be recorded as the stem you picked. For instance, to sample vocals from a track, Select a record vocal pad, and the sampler will isolate and capture only the vocal stem for the specified duration. Once recorded, the sample slot will update to show the track name, confirming the stem has been saved.
Dream is to fly over the rainbow so high. My dream is to fly over the rainbow so high.
So now we've covered the stem and sampler aspects of this feature. Now let's explore why it's called StemSwap. This innovative tool doesn't just isolate and sample stems. It also lets you swap a recorded stem with a corresponding stem from another track. I'll demonstrate by loading a second track on the other deck, one with a similar BPM but a different vocal. Now here's where the magic happens. To replace the vocal in the second track with the sampled one, simply trigger the stem sample on the currently playing deck. When activated, Virtual DJ will seamlessly mute the vocals on the second track and replace it with your recorded stem. Now let's look at some important tips to consider when using the StemSwap sampler, starting with tip number 1. Always trigger your sample on the deck that's currently playing. This ensures the StemSwap works correctly by replacing the corresponding stem. If you trigger it on the recorded deck, the sample will only layer over the track instead of swapping. Tip number 2. Ensure your sample banks are properly managed. Banks can be locked to avoid accidental edits. To modify a locked bank, unlock it or copy it to make changes without affecting the original. Tip number 3 is a reminder that you can create as many banks as you need. This can be done by going to your sampler section and creating a new bank to save additional samples. Tip number 4, customize your workflow. You can map stem sampling functions to spare buttons on your DJ controller, or assign shortcuts to your computer's keyboard for quicker access during your performance. Last but not least, if you don't already have Virtual DJ 2025 installed, there's a link in the description that will take you to the official Virtual DJ download page where you can install the software for free. And if you do have Virtual DJ installed, you can set it up for automatic updates by going to the settings area, searching for updates under options, and then checking the check updates option, as well as early access updates. Virtual DJ is definitely a powerful tool that grows with your skills. And while it may seem advanced, just start simple by experimenting with different stems, play with transitions, and gradually integrate them into your sets. For more tips and tutorials, check out our homepage and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep practicing.